Hi, it's Gina with WTI. And if you live in an area like me that gets a ton of rain, but you have an unprotected window or door that you would like shielded from that or even the sun, then you're going to love this one that I got from UEMMILLY. We got the 40 by 80 inch awning, and this has been perfect, as you can see, over our window area. Now, normally when I would open the window during a rainstorm, I would get absolutely drenched, but notice how well it is keeping all the rain from getting into the window. We found the mounting hardware to be strong, and the sheets themselves are thick and will stand up well to all different types of weather conditions. I was able to put both of these together really easily by myself in the matter of about an hour. I would recommend having a power tool to facilitate that. When it's time to hang this, you're definitely going to need 2 people. And we found that to mount it on the wall, we needed to use our own set of screws because of the setup that we have. You will absolutely need to caulk this after you're done so that you don't get water dripping down the wall still. Once that's complete, it's watertight, and you are going to be so pleased with the results, just like we are. We are so happy we have this, and that's our point of view.